we are going to compare 3Commas with Kryll to see which one is best crypto trading tool. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started now. First, let's talk about 3Commas that was launched in 2017 and built for traders who want to scale up with custom high-volume trading strategies. It follows a subscription-based pricing model starting at $149 per month. That's look good. Now let's look at Kryll. It was also founded in 2017. It focuses on automated trading with a user-friendly strategy builder. It uses a consumption-based pricing model charging up to 1% of your monthly traded capital, which can be more cost-effective for low-volume traders. Both platforms offer full-featured trading terminals. However, Kryll provides access without requiring a subscription, making it more accessible. Kryll lets users share their trading strategies with the community and even get rewarded for them. It offers unlimited and free portfolio management, while 3Commas charges extra for this feature. Kryll supports Webbook integration along for advanced strategy setups while trading. Both platforms are available on Windows, Mac, Linux, Web, Android, and iPhone, so you can access them across all your devices. If you are a high-volume trader who needs advanced tools and is okay with a monthly fee, 3Commas may be worth the investment. But if you want a more affordable, beginner-friendly option with flexible pricing and free portfolio tools, Kryll could be the better choice in 2025. That's it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.